If your Trello comment isn't posting, you might see the message fail to send, disappear, or just stay stuck. Yeah, this usually happens because of connection issues, permission settings, or temporary app glitches. But don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll walk you through several fixes that usually solve the problem. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Trello needs a real-time connection to post comments instantly. Next, try refreshing the page or restarting the Trello app. This can fix temporary glitches and resync your board. If your comment still won't post, check your permissions on the board. You may not have access to add comments if your role is limited. If you're using Trello in a browser, clearing cache and cookies can help. Corrupted data may prevent comments from being submitted. Some browser extensions can interfere with Trello features. Try disabling extensions and then post your comment again. And finally, check Trello's server status. Sometimes outages can temporarily prevent comments from being posted. And that's it. One of these fixes usually gets Trello comments posting normally again. If this helped you out, yeah, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more quick tech tutorials.